Hi students, in the last class we saw the subsidiary books related to the subsidiary books, and we finished the in that one book which is the purchase book. Okay, so now in this session we will start the purchase return book. Okay, so now see what is a purchase return book. It is a subsidiary book which is used for recording the goods returned to the suppliers. Goods returned to the suppliers. It is also called purchase return journal or return outward book. Okay, so purchase return book means whatever the purchased goods from the suppliers, and after purchasing some goods, if it is damaged or the overstock, okay, so it is returned to the suppliers. Okay, so that transactions only recorded in the books of the purchase return, but that may be the credit transactions. Okay, that may be the credit transaction only, that should not be the asset transactions. Okay, so whatever the assets, it is related to the assets, these transactions are not recorded in the purchase return book. Okay, so now see, while preparing the purchase return books, we have to prepare the debit note. Okay, keep in mind, we have to prepare the debit note. Okay, so it is a document which contains the details of debiting in account. Okay, why it's the debiting, so this content. Okay, so this is prepared when the goods are returned to the suppliers or the allowance is claimed from him. Okay, so at that time it's when it's a return goods to the suppliers, at that time, as well as the allowance is claimed from him, means at that time it's a debit note, it is a prepay. Okay, so now see, this is the format. Okay, so the date column, particular column, debit note column, LF column, and the amount column. Okay, so like this we have to draw the format for the prepare of the purchase return book. Okay, so now see, first one problem on the purchase return book. So prepare purchase return book from the following transactions in the books of Vidya stationery stores. Okay, so Vidya stationery stores, now 2012. So now see, the first transaction is what? 5th January, return 50 notebook to national publishers purchased at rupees 20 per book. Okay, so it is a return of 50 notebook to national publishers purchased at 20 per book. Okay, so it means what? Purchased 50 books there were. Okay, and they are going to return these 50 books at rupees 20 per book. Okay, so it is a purchase book, and so it is the, so now see, purchase return book. Okay, so now this on this 5th January, national publisher 50 books return at rupees 20. It's a total is what's the 1000 amount, in the amount column 1000. Okay, so next, return 20 accountancy textbooks to one suppliers purchased at 250 per book, subject to 25% discount. Okay, so again the 20 books accountancy books returned to the one suppliers at rupees 250 per book. Okay, so it's first of all we have to do 20 into 250. so here one suppliers 20 books returned to at rupees 250. It's a total is what's the 5000. Okay, so this 5000 from we have to discount, minus discount. Okay, 25% we have to discount. Okay, so minus the 25 discount on this 5000, it will be the 1250. Okay, so the remaining 5000 minus 1250, it's a 3750. It's a remaining balance. Okay, so next and last, on 22nd January, claimed allowance from national publishers for short supply of 30 textbook at rupees 100 per book. Okay, so it is the claimed allowance. Okay, but him, it means what? This is also the purchase return. Okay, this 30 textbooks at rupees 100 per book. Okay, so it means what? National publisher 30 books short supply at rupees 100 per book, it's a 3000. Okay, so make it total 1000 plus 3750 plus 3000, total is what? 7750. Okay, total is what? The 7750. Right, this we have to prepare the purchase return book. Okay, and so the purchase book, you know that. Okay, so how to prepare this purchase book? Okay, so this purchase book means what? It is a subsidiary book, and which is used for recording the goods purchased on credit only. Okay, which is on credit only. Okay, so like this we have to prepare. Okay, you know that purchase return books as well as the purchase book. Okay, so now see, one more problem we will see on the purchase book as well as the purchase return book. Okay, so now see, from the following in the purchase book and purchase return book, and post them to the ledger. Okay, post them to ledgers. There is no need to the post into the ledgers, only we will pass the in the purchase book as well as the purchase return book. Okay, so now see, bought from Rajendra goods of rupees 4000 on account. Okay, bought from Rajendra, it means what? It is the purchase transactions, or it is the purchase return transactions. It is the purchase transaction. Okay, so it is a bought from Rajendra. So this purchase we have to record in the purchase book. Okay, so now see, this is the purchase book and this is the purchase return book. Okay, so now in this purchase book we have to record. So on 2013 1st January, Rajendra 4,000. Okay, so 4,000 on account. So in that, packing and delivery charges rupees 400, as well as the packing and delivery charges is also we have to add. Okay, so this add packing and delivery charges rupees 400 in this 4,000. So 4,400 directly we have to record in the amount column. Okay, so next, purchase good from Arun Desai rupees 5,000 less 10% discount. Okay, so it is the purchase book. Okay, so it is the purchase return, sorry, it is a purchase transaction. Okay, so this purchase transaction we have to record in the purchase book only. Okay, so now see, so Arun Desai 5,000 and this 10,000, 10% we have to minus from this 5,000. Okay, so this 10 less 10% discount 500. So this 5,000 minus 500, total will be the 4,500. Okay, so next, send a debit note to Rajendra for an overcharge by him rupees 500. Okay, so this is the debit note, and so this debit note when we are preparing while the purchase return. Okay, so this is the purchase return related to the purchase return books. Okay, so on 6th January, Rajendra 500. Okay, so it is allowance claimed. Okay, so now next, on 10th January, purchased the goods from Guru Prasad rupees 7,000 subject to trade discount at rupees 10%. Okay, so it is related to the purchase book. Okay, it's a purchase transactions. Okay, so now just see in this purchase book. So see in this purchase book. So here 10th January, Guru Prasad rupees 7,000 and less 10% discount on this 7,000. It's a 700. So total will be the 7,600. Sorry, 6,300. Okay, so next, return defective goods to Arun Desai rupees 1,500 gross. Okay, it is a gross. It means what? While purchasing on this third, okay, on this 3rd January, we purchased a 5,000. Okay, so purchase goods of rupees 5,000. Okay, out of that we return rupees 1,500 gross. It means what? Again we have to minus this 500. It means 10% discount also. It is a purchase return. No. Okay, so now see this less Arun Desai 1,500 less 10% discount, it's a 150. Okay, the total amount is what? 1,350. Okay, so next, on 20th January, Asghar Khan supplied us on credit 35 units at rupees 2,100 per unit. Okay, so now see, so this is related to the purchase transaction. Okay, Asghar Khan supplied us. Okay, so it is a purchase. Supplied us means what? Supplied to business. Okay, Asghar Khan supplied us means to supply to the business on credit 35 units at rupees 2,100 units. Okay, so now see, on 20th January, Asghar Khan 35 units at rupees 100. It is the 35 units. It is a 35 units. 35 units at the rate of 2,100. It is the 2,100. It will be the 73,500. Okay, so next, send a debit note to Asghar Khan for the short supply of 3 units. Okay, so now see, this is the on debit notes means what? It is the what? It is the purchase return book. Okay, so Asghar Khan 3 units into 2,100 units, it will be the 6,300. Okay, so now this next transaction was cash purchased from Anil rupees 1,200. So this is the cash purchased. Okay, so this cash purchase is not maintained in the purchase book as well as in the purchase return book. Okay, so leave it. Now this deposit, the purchase book, it's a to make it total of this amount column, it's 88,700. Okay, just finished. Next, purchase return books, make it total of the amount column, it's 8,150. Okay, so like this we have to prepare the purchase book as well as the purchase return book. Okay, so I hope you will be the understand. If you not understand, you can contact me or you can message me. Okay, so thank you.